Welcome to Free Coding Academy's Machine Learning Series Part 6. What is the Support Vector Machine ML Model? So what is the Support Vector Machine ML Model? Support Vector Machine is a machine learning model that finds the best boundary or decision line to separate different classes. So here's an example. You're drawing a line between apples and oranges on a graph. SVMs are one of the smartest ways to draw boundaries between things. So finding the best boundary. An SVM doesn't just draw any line, it finds the line with the maximum margin. And the maximum margin is the widest possible gap between the two groups. Thus, the model is more confident and less likely to wrongly classify new data. So what are support vectors? Support vectors are data points closest to the boundary. Support vectors are the data points which support or define the decision line. If you move them, the boundary will shift. So what are some examples of how the SVM ML model can be used? You can use SVMs to detect faces in images, recognize handwritten digits, or classify genes in bioinformatics. Nonlinear boundaries. If the data isn't linearly separable, SVMs use something called a kernel trick. And this is when they transform the data into a higher dimension where a straight line can separate it. So here's an analogy. Unfolding a crumpled paper to draw a clean line. Limitations of SVMs. SVMs can be slow with very large datasets. So they are not ideal when the number of features is much higher than the number of samples. In these cases, we should use ML models like neural networks or random forests. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and watch Part 7 on the K-nearest neighbors KNN model next.